Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the 40-piece car cleaning set. Now right off the bat, we want to go ahead and say that this is more like a 10-piece kit, but you're still going to love the amount of things you get in here. The first thing we want to talk about are these cleaning wipes. Now there's 30 in these, and that's why they come up with the 40-piece kit. However, you're still going to love these because they work exactly like Armor All wipes. Because they're great for cleaning and shining your dashboard and other interior components. Now the next thing you're gonna get are these 2 wax applicator pads. Now it's great that you get 2 of them because if you've ever seen The Karate Kid, you know that you have to wax on and wax off. Now moving on, we have the interior microfiber cleaning cloth. Now this is made to be extra soft to help attract dust and protect your interior from scratches and damages. Now for the exterior, we have 2 of these gray microfiber cleaning towels. Now these are made to help clean off that excess dirt and grime from the outside of your car. Now one thing that I really like about this cleaning kit is that they color code the towels. Now here we have the orange microfiber glass towel, which is made to clean any glass surfaces or mirrors in your car. Alright, now we're moving on to some of my favorite items, and I have no doubt that you're gonna love them too. Now if you're anything like me, you hate when the wheels on your car get super messy. That's why they included the high abrasive wheel brush. Now this is gonna do great in getting rid of all that road debris. Now we're moving on to the dusting brush. Now what I love about this is it feels like a real professional cleaning tool. Now this is gonna help you get into those hard to reach places like the end of your dashboard, and dust is gonna stick to it. This is gonna be great for the interior and exterior of your car. And now for the final cleaning item, you're gonna get my favorite, the professional style cleaning sponge. Now this is super large to help you get over the large surface area of your car, and it comes with a hand strap so you don't have to worry about dropping it on the dirty ground. And finally, we have the PVC bag to store everything in. This is gonna be great because you don't have to lose everything, and you can take it anywhere you need. Now what's great about this cleaning kit is it gives you everything you need and nothing you don't. Now you're gonna love the incredible deal we have for you today, so head on over to the site and pick up yours today.